Hey guys, we're going to do a little chicken dish this afternoon on our barbecue. What we're going to do, we do slightly different though, because normally what we do the rotisserie or put it straight onto the grill over the coals. It's normally spatchcock chicken that's halved and then goes straight onto the coals. What we do today is we're actually going to do them in almost like oven cooked, for want of a better word. So what we've got is we've got a beautiful farm chicken, and I really recommend if you have a farm shop near you or a butcher, get your chicken from them. It is 1,000 times better than anything you buy in a supermarket. This is absolutely phenomenal. It is so dense. I actually thought it was still frozen this morning. Only when I put a knife in, I realized it was actually defrosted. It was just so dense, it felt like it was still frozen. It was so heavy. So yeah, really good quality chicken. Support your farm shop or your local butcher. Great quality. So what we've done to start with is obviously got the chicken, cut him in half, spatchcocked him. Been completely all the way through as opposed to just butterflying him. So we've got two halves. We have as a dressing on this, we have some lemon juice, we have some honey, we have some mango chutney, okay, and a small little drizzle of olive oil. We left that in for a couple of hours, okay. I would seriously recommend, probably say, if you can and you've got space in your fridge, do the night before and let it soak in and get into the meat. So what we're going to do now is in the bottom, all we have obviously just a bit of lemon juice, a little bit of water, because we want to keep the chicken moist. We don't want to dry it out, we don't make it too dry. So we're going to put some tinfoil over the top. In there, there's obviously water, olive oil, lemon juice, a few slices of lemon, tinfoil over the top, create a nice oven and basically steam it and cook it that way, nice and slowly over the coals. Just let it take its time, a couple of hours, and it'll be done. Once it's cooked all the way through, what we'll do is a final is we'll take it out of the dishes, obviously, flip it skin side down, onto the brine, and then crisp up the skin and make it nice and crispy on the outside. The reason we've placed them this way as well, just a tip, is obviously if you place a skin down on the silver dish above the coals, the skin will stick to the dish. This way what you have is the bone structure, okay, from the chicken resting on the bottom of the dish. The chances of it sticking are minimal. It may still stick in a few places, but not as much as if you have skin side down. So we'll cook it facing this way all the way through. Finally, when we're finished, turn it over and crisp it up and see how it goes. But yeah, should be good. Bushpig Lemango chicken, as the name suggests, mango chutney and lemon juice. We spatchcocked our butcher's chicken the night before, placed some mango chutney over it with some fresh lemon and some lemon juice, and threw in the fish to marinate. Fire nice and hot. The chicken always make sure you got a good heat, so we recommend a really good restaurant charcoal. You'll see the difference. It's proper lump wood, gives a really nice clean heat, fantastic for cooking chicken. Tricky part, we're going to try and flame grill the skin on the chicken. So say, don't have a camera in your hand when you're doing this. It normally goes south pretty rapidly. But yeah, don't panic, the skin will go almost a black color, but it's marinated, not the skin that's burning.